Hey guys, how's it going? We're going to be starting our next batch of 15 hours of CELPIP Live classes this Monday. It's going to be for 8 straight days. The first 7 days, 2 hours per day. The last day, 1 hour. If you can attend the timings, that's great. We're going to send you the details via email. If you do not attend the class on time, no problem. You'll get class recording for each class. You can also submit your work with emails and you will get feedback in the classes, which you can view in the recordings. More details will be sent to you via email once you register using the link below. In these classes, you get materials on all 4 modules. You get feedback on all 4 modules, especially detailed feedback on your writing and speaking. You get to know your scores, you get to know your performance, what you're doing correctly and incorrectly in reading and listening. So all 4 modules are tackled in detail with assessment, and it's conducted by one of our best teachers, Daniela, who is now an expert doing this for years with group sessions and doing this at a very low price. You can check it out in the link in the description. So join now. We have, I think, 3 slots remaining. And if you have any questions, you can email us. Email is also in the description. This course, 8 hours intensive training, ensures you get a great result. And if you haven't registered, if you don't know the features of the course, just check them out in the link in the description. We hope to see you soon. Take care.